The 2025 Toyota Urban Cruiser EV marks Toyota's strong push into the compact electric SUV segment, offering a balanced blend of efficiency, comfort, and everyday practicality. This all-electric crossover is designed for city dwellers and small families looking for a clean, tech-forward ride. Built on Toyota's eTNGA platform, it boasts a modern exterior design with sleek LED headlights, bold character lines, and an athletic stance that makes it look both premium and dynamic. Under the hood, the Urban Cruiser EV is powered by a single electric motor delivering around 134 horsepower with front-wheel drive. It features a 48 to 50 kWh battery pack, offering an estimated range of about 230 to 250 miles on a full charge, making it suitable for both urban commuting and moderate long-distance travel. Charging is convenient too, with support for both AC and DC fast charging. A fast charger can take the battery from 10 to 80% in under an hour, adding to its usability in real-world conditions. Inside, the cabin is thoughtfully laid out with a clean dashboard design and soft touch materials. The infotainment system includes a 10.25-inch touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a fully digital driver display. Wireless charging, connected car tech, and a panoramic sunroof enhance the upscale feel. Toyota also provides multiple USB-C ports and a voice command system, contributing to a more seamless driving experience. When it comes to safety, Toyota has equipped the Urban Cruiser EV with its latest Safety Sense suite. This includes adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert with steering assist, automatic emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring. Parking is also easier thanks to a 360-degree camera system and rear cross traffic alert. Driving dynamics are smooth and refined, with instant torque delivery and responsive steering that makes city driving enjoyable. The suspension setup offers a comfortable ride while keeping body roll minimal around corners. It's not a performance SUV, but it does well in providing a composed and predictable drive. As for pricing, the 2025 Toyota Urban Cruiser EV is expected to start around $27,000 to $30,000 United States dollars depending on the trim and configuration. This positions it competitively against other compact electric